Go.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 506, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, or midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means large hail and damaging wind in and close to the water may not be imminent. For the latest severe weather information, warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a wind advisory for the following county: Porter, US 41 drag.
What? South to southwest winds.
Alright, let's take a look at this. Yep. It's all coming towards me. Stay tuned for the next alert.